This is a brief overview of Keepit's new platform user interface, with big changes based on user feedback that enables users to recover and restore data more intelligently and ultimately faster. Keepit's new user interface makes our platform even easier to use, still with the great features from before. So what's been improved upon? A lot. Navigating the new user interface is even more intuitive, partly due to a more refined design, but also through these following new features. Configuring a connector is even more customizable and granular. Role-based access gives even more specific control, all coming together to better match your structure and meet your exact needs. Performing searches and applying filters have also been improved upon, such as the ability to switch views through snapshots during a search, allowing you to see all versions of a file across all snapshots. The Restore wizard for Microsoft Office 365, or biggest change, provides the full flow on how you want to restore data, allowing you to prioritize what is most business critical to stay operating. On a restore summary, you can specify exactly the data you wish to restore in order of importance. With Keepit's new user interface, you have the tools to match your workflow like never before, enabling you to bring back your data in the fastest way possible. To learn more, visit our support site.